so dry, thirsty, but God was there where He always be, giving grace and mercy. So hard to sing and hard to pray, yet I know His words was true. I fell and laid my faith within, and suddenly I knew
somebody's knocking on heaven's door. Somebody's waiting for me. Somebody's lifting me up to the Lord. I knew it had to be. Somebody's down on their knees. Somebody's praying for me.
I've been spared by so many prayers. How many times I couldn't say what a difference a prayer can make when it's all for nothing faith. God has always made a way when it's in to do. Just when that's when your prayers broke through. Somebody's praying for me. Somebody's
Knocking on heaven's door.
somebody's praying for me.
Somebody's lifting me up to the Lord. I know it had to be. Somebody's down on their knees. Somebody praying for me.
Now we know that prayer was you. You're the gift God gave me. It's when your prayers love broke through. It was your prayer that saved me. Thank you for praying for me. Thank you for
Knocking on heaven's door.
Thank you for praying for me.
Thank you for lifting me up to the Lord.
Now I can clearly see that you were the one.
On your knees. So thank you for praying for me. Somebody's praying for me.
Somebody's praying for me. Somebody's lifting me up to the Lord.
I know it has to be.
Somebody down